What is up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight, and Shieldon has sent us 2 cases out for the new iPhone X. I'm going to go ahead and unbox them and give you my thoughts and opinions and if it's worth picking up. Stay tuned. First case we're going to look at is this scratch resistant transparent bumper case. It's from the Glacier series. If we take a look at the back of the box, we have impact absorption, scratch resistance, and soft response. Let's go ahead and unbox this now. As you guys see, opening it up, we have the TPU case inside of here, and it has red accents and clear plastic. We also have a thank you to the customer who purchased this and the warranty information. We're now going to go ahead and put the iPhone X inside this case. We have to take some sticky stuff off of the back. First thing I noticed about the case is that the volume up and down rocker as well as the power button are very mushy. We also have some nice and precise cutouts for the speakers, the charger port, and the camera. The bumper over the screen actually protects the screen pretty well. The second and arguably fancier case is presented in a nice box for us. We also have a nice ribbon to pull presenting our next case, which is a leather wallet case from Shieldon. We are now presented with this very nice wallet case from Shieldon, and it is genuine leather. We also have a card inside of here for the customer of this Shieldon case. So it says, "To my dear customer," and if we go inside of here, we have our service card with some product information as well as a thank you card at the end. Front side, we have the Shieldon logo, and the back side right under the camera, we also have Shieldon in letters. If we go inside of here, we have a little foam deposit we can go ahead and take out. We also have a piece of sample leather that is genuine inside this case as well, so we can go ahead and take that off. First and foremost, left side of the case is a wallet, so we can go ahead and hold cash as well as credit cards. Right side, we can go ahead and put our phone inside this case. We also have a magnet to open and close this case, which is pretty nice to see. We also have a very precise cutout for the camera of our phone. Right side, we have our power button, which is kind of mushy as well. We also have our cutouts at the bottom of the case for the speakers and the charging port. But yeah guys, other than the mushiness of the buttons on these cases, they are very protective and very nice cases and super good for the price as well. So if you would like to pick these up, please use the link in the description down below. It is an affiliate link and it does help out my channel. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the Tech Gang already. Hope you guys are having an amazing day wherever you are. This has been TechRight. Peace out, guys.